What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Street Reaction. Had to support the cousin doing a paparazzi live, so took a little break for a second on that. But shout out to that. I'll probably have the link in here if you want to buy some jewelry. But sorry, I'm trying not to sneeze. Today we're gonna be reacting to The Truth, Limo Blaze, and Travis Green, Sound of Victory. The Truth comes out with another song. We definitely got to react to it, right? We got to. The Truth is an OG up in the game, bro. He always doing his thing. I love his music. Dudes, views and everything, really powerful. Love his podcast, Complicated-ish with Flame. Love his sermon. I love it. I really rock with the dude. He one of the best ones in CHH. If y'all don't know who The Truth is, y'all definitely need to go check his stuff out, y'all. But enough of me talking, right? Enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and jump into this one. The Truth, Limo Blaze, and Travis Green, Sound of Victory. Sorry, ruined that for a second. Had to make sure I had the screen recorded. Let's go.
You hold me down like lo lo lo. Your love is sweet like me lo lo. You make a promise, then you deliver. You never fail me, no no no. What type of loving? You ain't a fight on my battles. You put the boy on the way for this victory.
Yeah, fight for the weak and the poor. That's how we gon' rise from the ashes. First we get our knees to the floor. That's how we gon' find any answers. Can't find peace with a sword. Yeah, that's how you know the fight is supernatural. Yeah, heartbeat to the core, we retreat to the Lord when it's time for some action. Yeah, mighty God, mighty God, mighty God. Fight with the king, get the spoils. Yeah, mighty God, mighty God, mighty God. Yeah, blood and bones in the soil. Yeah.
Bro, this is like a worship, joyful feeling, bro. Ooh, Truth, you coming in, bro.
Walk with a bodyguard, only go to war with the lawyer. Yeah, saints like arms that you cannot fall when God is for you.
Yeah, your love is sweet like me lo lo. You make a promise, then you deliver. You never fail me, no no no. What type of loving? You ain't a fight on my battles. You put the boy on the way for this victory. So sing it.
Gotta point this out. Just gotta point this out. Bro, I could see this. Like, for sports, I could see this in a movie, bro. This is a very powerful song. Bro, Sound of a Victory. Man, this is very powerful. Like, it hit my soul right when I heard the beat, the singing, the rap. Bro, it all hit me, man. Very powerful.
Victory, victory, victory. We got the victory. Yeah. Empty the infantry, so Jesus conquered our enemies. Yeah, blood and bones in the soil. Only go to war with the loyal. Yeah, saints like arms that you cannot fall when God is for you.
Yeah, your love is sweet like me lo lo. You make a promise, then you deliver. You never fail me, no no no. What type of loving? You ain't a fight on my battles. You put the boy on the way for this victory. So sing it.
Man, bro. Man. That was worship, bro. That was like a sound of joy. Man, true. Like I was saying, man. I could definitely see that on a movie or in sports or something, man. That was very powerful. There was a song by R. Kelly, man, I forgot, A Sign of a Victory or something like that. And even another song, I think his name was Kanam or Nam or something like that, that did a really powerful song. And bro, I could say this could be used international. Like, I think they used that for like soccer, the World Cup or something like that. I don't know if that's what soccer is called. But like, man, I saw them use that, and when I heard this, I was like, oh, I could see that same feeling, bro. You got a hit, bro. Man, if y'all felt that worship and that joy in the moment, man, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Let's get that community up. Man, and go support the dude. Go listen to his video without my reaction. Amazing. Man, amazing. Until next time, man, y'all stay sweet. Salute.